Okay,
Okay,
so so
so
so
for
for the shopping
shopping
cart
cart
table,
table,
we
we
had
had
certain
certain
requirements.
requirements.
So
So
here
yeah,
I've
I've
created.
created.
So
So
we
we
had
had
to
to
create
create
a
a
UL
UL
diagram
diagram
with
with
the
the
following
following tables
tables to
to
support
support
a
a
shopping
shopping
cart
cart
system.
system.
So
So
as you
as you
can
can
see
see
on the
on the
side,
side,
we've
we've
got
got
our
our
tables
tables
here.
here.
So
So
we've
we've
got
got
our
our
product
product
table,
table,
our
our
user
user
table,
table,
our
our
cart
cart
table,
table,
our
our
overhead
overhead
table,
table,
and
and
our
our
order
order
details
details
table,
table,
as
as
we've
we've
got
got
all
all
here.
here.
Then we
Then we
have
have
to
to
create
create
a
a
table
table
for
for
the
the
ULD
ULD
diagram,
diagram,
which
which
would
would
be
be this.
this. So
So
we've
we've
got
got
all
all
our,
our
let's just, we've
we've
got
got
all our
all our
things
things
here.
here.
So
So
we
we
can
can
see
see
our
our
connections,
connections,
where
where
everything's
everything's
linking
linking
together.
together.
Then we
Then we
have
have
to
to
add
add
items
items
to the
to the
cart.
cart.
So
So
we've
we've
got
got the
insert
insert
into.
into.
So
So
we're
we're
adding
adding
a
a
Coke,
Coke,
uh,
uh,
which
which
is
is
item
item
one,
one,
and
and
it's
it's
valued
valued
at
at
10
10
Rand.
Rand.
Then we're
Then we're
adding a
adding a
packet.
packet.
We're
We're
adding a
adding a
packet
packet
of
of
chips,
chips,
which is
which is
valued
valued
at
at
5
5
Rand,
Rand,
which is
which is
item
item
number
number
2.
2.
Then
Then
we
we
had
had
to,
to,
well,
well,
using the
using the
normal
normal
insert
insert
statement,
statement,
which I
which I
already
already
explained.
explained.
Um,
Um,
so then
then
we
we
had
had
to,
to,
this
this
is
is
just
just
an
an
example.
example.
Then
Then
we
we
have
have
to
to
remove
remove
an,
an,
I
I
said
said
this
this
is
is
just
just
an
an
example
example
of
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 a
a
existing
existing
of
of
if
if
statement,
statement,
an
an
if
if
statement.
statement.
So
So
it's
it's
just
just
the
the
normal
normal
insert
insert
into.
into.
So
So
here
here
we
we
can
can
see
see
we've
we've
got
got
our
our
ID,
ID,
our
our
name, and
name, and
then
then
our
our
price,
price,
which
which
is
is
our
our
products
products
table.
table.
Well,
Well,
yeah,
yeah,
it
it
would
would
be
be
this
this
because
because
this
this
is
is
in the
in the
if
if
statement,
statement.
so
So
it's
it's
selecting
selecting
item
item
1
one
from
from
cart
cart
where
where
user
user
ID
ID
is
is
equal to
equal to
1
one,
and
and
then
then
product
product
ID,
ID,
and then
and
it
then it updates the cart and
updates the
updates the
cart
cart
and
and
sets
sets
the
the
quantity
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 to
to
plus
plus
1.
one.
And
And
then
then
it
it
wanted
wanted
us
us
to
to
remove
remove
items
items
from
from
the
the
cart,
cart,
which
which
this
this
is
is
doing
doing
it.
it.
So
So
we
we
selecting the
selecting the
quantity,
quantity,
which is
which is
going
going
into
into
the
the
v
the
underscore
underscore
TUY
TUY
from the
from the
cart.
cart.
So
So
this
this
is
is
basically
basically
just
just
the
the
quantities,
quantities,
but
but
what's
what's
in the
in the
cart.
cart.
And
And
then
then
where
where
user
use
ID
ID
and
and
the
the
product.
product.
And
And
then
then
if
if this
this if
if
this
this
is
is
null,
null,
then
then
I
I
put
put
a
a
thing
thing
there
there
is
is
no
no
product to
product to
remove.
remove. Else
Else
If there's
there's
one,
one,
then
then
update
update
the
the
cart
cart
and
and
set
set
quantities
quantities
minus
minus
one.
one.
So
So
this
this
is
is
taking
taking
away
away
the
the
thing,
thing,
and
and
then
then
it
it
deletes
deletes
the
the
product,
product,
and
and
then we
then we
can
can
see,
see,
we
we
can
can
select
select
it, of
it, of
course,
course,
once
once
we've
you
run
run
this.
this.
And
And
then
then
B.
B.
So
So
here
here
we've
we've
got,
got,
we're
we're
creating
creating
our
our
order
order
head,
head,
we're
we're
copying
copying
the
the
cart,
cart,
and
and
then
then
we've
we've
got
got
our
our
order
order
table,
table,
and then
and
we're
then we're
clearing the
clearing the
cart.
cart.
So
So
we're
we're
inserting
inserting
our
our
order
order
head
head
into
into
our
our
order
order
ID,
ID,
and
and
then
then
we
we
just
just
we're
we're
returning the
returning the
order
order
ID.
ID.
Then
Then
here
here
we're
we're
copying
copying
the
the
copy
copy
cart,
cart,
and we're
and we're
joining
joining
it
it
with
with
our
our
products
products
onto
onto
our
our
uh, product
product
ID,
ID,
where
where
yes, it
yes, it
is.
is.
It's
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 up
up
here,
here.
so
So
it
it
was
was
in
in
the
the requirement.
requirements. So
So
yeah,
yeah,
I
I
went
went
one
one
step
step
further
further
and
and
just
just
put
put
a
a
copy
copy
cart
cart
list,
list,
and
and
then
then
down
down
here
here
we'll
we'll
clear
clear
the
the
cart,
cart,
and
and
then
then
it
it
will
will
delete
delete
the
the
cart
cart
as
as
well,
well,
and it
and it
will
will
say
say check
checkout
out
order.
order.
Then
Then
we
we
then
then
we
we
can
can
just
just
see
see
if
if
it's
it's
all
all
created
created
and
and
if
if
it's
it's
all
all
checked
checked
out.
out.
Um, So
So
we
we
can
can
see
see
we've
we've
got our
got our
order,
order,
user
user
ID,
ID,
and
and
then the
then the
date
date
we've
we've
placed
placed
it.
it.
We
We
can
can
see
see
we've
we've
got
got
our
our
products, our
products, our
quantity, and
quantity,
the
and the
price
price
for
for
each.
each.
And then we
And we
can
can
see
see
the
the
cart.
cart
That's
is
empty
empty
because
because
we've
we've
checked
checked
out.
out.
I
I
did
did
do
do
the
the
I
I
did do
did
the
do the
bonus.
bonus.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, so
So
this
this
is
is
just
just
if
if
you
you
wanna.
wanna.
So
So
this
this
was
was
for,
for,
I
I
duplicated it
duplicated it
just
just
for the
for the
demo
demo
purposes,
purposes,
but
but
then
then
I
I
just
just
left
left
it
it
out.
out.
So
So
we
we
just
just
multiplying the
multiplying the
order,
order,
and
and
then we
then we
can
can
delete it
delete it
in
in
between.
between.
So
So
we
we
inserting
inserting
into,
into,
and then
and
we
then we
can
can
delete
delete
the
the
products.
products.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they're
they're
not
not
functions.
functions.
Then
Then
we
we
yeah,
yeah,
it's here,
yeah,
bonus
bonus.
function. So
So
we
we
created an
created an
adding and
adding
a
and a
removing
removing
and a
and a
checkout.
checkout.
So
So
here
here
we're
we're
creating
creating
the
the
adding,
adding,
which
which
we
we
inserting
inserting
into
into
the
the
cart,
cart,
of
of
course.
course.
So
So
we're
we're
selecting
selecting
cart
cart
one,
one
where
where
user
user
ID is
ID is
equal
equal
to
to
product
product
user
user
and
and
products,
products,
and then
and
we
then we
updating the
updating the
cart
cart
where
with
quantity
quantity
plus
plus
products
products
where
where
user
user
ID
ID
is
is
equal to
equal to
else.
else.
If
If
cart
cart
is
is
empty,
empty,
then
then
we
we
can't
can't
update it
update it
because
because
there's
there's
nothing
nothing
in it
in it
to
to
update.
update.
Then
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 we've
we've
got
got
our
our
remove
remove
function
function
here.
here.
So
So
we
we
just,
just,
what
what
this
this
is
is
doing
doing
is
is,
if
if
there's
there's
more
more
than
than
one
one
item
item
in
in
the
the
cart,
cart,
then we
then we
can
can
remove
remove
the
the
one
one
item
item
without
without
deleting
deleting
the
the
entire
entire
cart.
cart. and
and then
then here
here
is
is
our
our
checkout
checkout
function,
function,
and
and
then
then
after
after
that
that
we've
we've
just
just
got
got
I
I
put
put
in
in
a
a
delete
delete
from
from
cart.
cart.
So
So
this
this
is
is
just
just
deleting a
deleting the
cart
cart
so
so
that
that
another
another
user
user
can,
can,
or
or
if
if
the
the
same
same
user
user
wants
wants
to
to
reorder,
reorder,
then
then
their
their
cart
cart
will
will
automatically
automatically
be
be
empty
empty
again.
again.